and welcome to another video. It's a bit noisy here because there's a lot of music and you're seeing the fire trucks and whatnot. I don't know if you can figure it out by now, but we're in the airport in Montego Bay, Sanchez International Airport. I am here for a charity 5K run walk. You know, I do the more walk. I'm very excited. It's like 5:15 in the morning and they should be starting the warm-up and things. So like to do these walks, it usually allows you to go on the road and walk or run on the road where we'd usually be driving. And at this one, I'm in part of the back of the airport. That's the airport. Their arrivals is right over there. I feel like this space is, you know, you get access to space that you usually don't get access to, and this is a very good example of it. We're going through the warm-ups early in the morning here. So we started the race. You can actually see the airport behind us. And we're going to go through the gate, so we're coming out of the airport property now. Right, so we're pulling out of the little side road by the airport and we're pulling out onto the highway. This is so cool. You don't usually go walking on the highway, but we are. That's the 5K runners heading back. Look at how the sun is rising, as you can see. Lucky thing I have my shades. Music is playing, but we're coming up by the lights, by flankers. Alright, so that's where we are at the moment. Point, and we're heading back. Not too bad, not too bad. You see the ambulance at the end. That usually means that's the last person they follow in. That one or two behind it, of course, but generally we're all somewhat heading, mostly heading back. What were you doing on a Sunday morning? Me? I was just walking on the highway. Approaching the lights to head back into the airport, coming off of the highway. All right, we're coming back to the spot where we enter back where we started, so basically almost done. I'm seeing the starting line from here. Just came off the bus. Parking here is close to dead end, which is, you know, a little bit from the airport, but we took the shuttle, and they had a shuttle this morning when I came, like very early, but we wasn't seeing the shuttle. I wasn't seeing the shuttle to come back. We saw the shuttle and I feel we commandeered the airport shuttle. We went in and the guy was going one way and we said, no, we're going this way. So anyway, the important thing is I got back to the parking lot. I'm wondering, should I go and take a little quick dip bottom road there in dead end? I want to come down and take a swim, but there are real people down here early in the morning. It's 7:30. Anyway, that's nice to see. people coming and swimming in the beach. I don't know if it's a good bit of them come from the running or whatnot, but it is packed. I can see a place to park. The thing is, once I see the water, I want to go in it. Look at that water. So good. I'm ready. Put on my short pants. Go and take a quick swim. A little quick swim, maybe about only 20 minutes. I could stay in the water all day, man, but it's just 8 o'clock in the morning. There's a lot of people, which I don't mind. The water is so clear. My son, oh my god, he would have loved this. I'm starting already 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm starting to feel sunburn, like all around my face here and whatnot. I said, no, let me overdo it. I don't know because I didn't have on my mask, but I think it was a squid in the water I was tracking. So I hope I got some good footage of that for you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing this 5K morning walk, MBJ Airport. It was really nice. I really enjoyed it. It's just past 8, so I still have my entire day ahead of me. So I'm gonna head home and relax a little bit. Thanks so much for watching. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.